Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq, and this is the weekly chart on Nasdaq. 20 EMA is below the 50 EMA, so we are very bearish still. However, we might have this W formation that I talked about. 20 EMA is proving to be strong resistance, so let's see if we can get a weekly close above there. If we can, then more than it's very likely that we run up to the 50 EMA 12320. This might be resistance for us, just like right now. Here we are at this resistance point. However, it's very likely that we run to $12,000 level, and then this W formation, out of this W formation, my price target will be 13,750. And above 12,000, 13,570 could be targeted, even 13,740. 13,740 is going to be resistance for us, and we might run back down to touch the 50 EMA, which is right now at 12,330. So this is my prediction for the following weeks. We have a nice green candle. If this weekly candle turns out to be a nice green candle, then probably we'll continue this bull run. Let's go over to Sp500 and let's have a quick look at Sp500. This is the weekly chart, and we had a fall. 50 EMA on the weekly proves to be strong resistance. We fell, and we even came below the 20 EMA. However, we just pulled back, so we might spend some time here in this area before we eventually break above, because we have a higher low, and I expect S&P 500 to develop a higher high, meaning that we may run up to 4280. I'm really watching this. 4280 could be targeted. 4280 could be resistance, just like 4325, around that level. Okay, yeah, we are with this falling trend line, so we need to decide where to go. Are we going to break above, or are we going to fall down? Anyway, let's go over to Dow Jones. And this is the weekly chart on Dow Jones. Let's have a quick look at the weekly chart. We have this possible formation, inverse head and shoulder formation. However, we just could not continue this bull run. We pulled back. Let's see how this weekly candle develops. We came down to touch the 20 EMA, that's healthy on the weekly, and we are pulling back, so we might just continue this bull run. It is support for us right now, and we have this golden cross, so I don't see any hindrance to bullish run to the upside. Let's go over to Germany, the German index, TAX, weekly chart on the German index. And we also have this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now if I make it longer, oops, not this one, because there's a price target that I already shared with you in my previous video. It is, you can see that we came back down to touch it and then pulled back. That's very healthy for a bullish run, and I think we will eventually hit my price target, which is all-time high 17,300. Yeah, so I would not short the German index. I would rather buy the dips and just go long here. Now let's go over to Japan. Nikkei, Japanese index, weekly chart on Nikkei, the Japanese index. And yeah, I shared with you this M pattern, but we pulled back. We will probably touch the 20 EMA, 26,980, if we can get above there, then 50 EMA is targeted. It's 27,230. Above there, 28,444 is going to be targeted. And Russell, let's have a quick look at Russell. This is the weekly chart on Russell, and Russell is also turning bullish because we have a higher low. We need a higher high then, probably 2000. We need to run to 2000. In fact, 2015 is going to be resistance, just like 2033, around that area. Might have a pullback, but yeah, we are bearish in the sense that 20 EMA is below the 50 EMA. So, but probably more likely we will continue the bull run. That's all for now. See you next time.